Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Eero to regain Wi-Fi connectivity. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Eero device is plugged in and powered on. Locate the small reset button on the back of your Eero device. Using a paperclip or a similar tool, press and hold the reset button. Keep holding the button for about 15 seconds until the light on your Eero starts flashing orange. Release the reset button once the light begins to flash. Wait for the Eero to reset completely, which may take a couple of minutes. Once the light shines solid white, your Eero has been successfully reset. Open the Eero app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account or log in if prompted. Tap on the Set up a new Eero option in the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan the QR code on your Eero device. Select your Wi-Fi name and set a password. Confirm your Wi-Fi settings to complete the setup. After the setup is complete, the app will guide you through connecting your devices. If your internet connection is still down, perform a power cycle on your modem. Unplug the modem from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the modem back in and wait for it to reconnect to the internet. Once your modem is back online, check your Eero status in the app. If you see a solid white light, your Wi-Fi should now be active. Test the connection by connecting your device to the Wi-Fi network. If you still experience problems, consider contacting customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.